Yeah, everyone see my screen, right? Able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So we will see, okay, how to develop a Java program by using Eclipse IDE now. Okay, guys. So now we have a SRC folder, right? Source folder. Yesterday we discussed it, right? What is SRE and JRE, system library, everything we discussed. Okay, no need to discuss anything now. So this is SRC folder. So this is kind of what Java source file, guys. We will place all Java source files under SRC folder. Okay. So this is the structure of the Eclipse IDE, guys. Okay. This is the project structure actually. So now in SRE, I want to create one Java program. So let me create. See, this is SRE we have, right? Under SRC, just right click on, guys. If you click right click, so there is a new, right? Here, see here, there is a class. Here it is asking Java project name, project package, class, interface, enum, everything, right? Okay. Now, what we want to create class. Okay. So just I'm clicking on class, guys. Okay. So here, what is the name of the class? Okay. Let me give some test class. Okay. Test class I'm giving. So here, modifiers it is asking, guys. Okay. Modifiers it is asking. Public. Okay. What kind of modifier it is. And you need package. Everything it is asking. Okay. So by default, I will select public. Okay, we will see, guys, what is modifiers, what is public, what is private, what is protected. We will see in detail. Okay. So now, so here superclass java.lang.object. Okay. We will see what is superclass, what is child class. We will see, guys. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. For every Java, just remember, for every Java class, okay, if you create any Java class, whether it is a user-defined class, whether it is a predefined class, for every Java class in Java, okay, object is a superclass, guys, directly or indirectly. Understand? For every Java class, if you create any class in Java, for that, what is the superclass by default means object, guys. Okay. That is the by default superclass, directly or indirectly. We will see what is superclass, what is child class, we will see. Okay, we have oops concept, right? So there we will see, okay, completely, guys. Don't worry about. In detail, we will see. So now, okay, so now, do you want to add comments and all these are things it is asking, right? So no need to do anything. Just click on finish. Right? See, public class test. Created public class test. Okay. So now, see here, if you want, you can remove public also. Okay. If you remove public, what is the default modifier for this? Default. Okay. Modifier name itself default if you are not writing anything. Okay. Just class test. Tell me here. Tell me.
The public
What we
static
need to do? Public
Static void main.
static void
Void main.
void main.
Finger.
String array of
String array args. Right?
Open and
Okay. Next, what we need to do? Tell me. System dot
out
out dot
println.
Right? Hello Java. Right? Just we want to print something, guys. Every statement should be end with semicolon. Sorry. Right?
So,
This is a Java program, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. See here, public static void main string array args system.out.println of hello Java. See, let me remove string. Instead of capital letter, I'm giving small letter. See, here itself it is saying. See, red color, right? Here itself it is saying. Compilation is failed right here. Okay. It is saying string cannot be resolved as a type. Okay. String cannot be resolved as a type. Here. Okay. If you click on this, okay, string cannot be resolved to a type. Understand, everyone? Actually, Yesterday we have seen, right, where we develop in Notepad++ or Notepad. So after that we open command prompt. Okay, if you use Java C compiler, then only we will came to know how many syntax errors we have, right? But here, while writing Java program itself, okay, we can see, guys. Understand? By writing Java program itself, you can see if you have any syntactical errors. Understand? See, that's what. Let me remove the small. I'm keeping capitalist. Now the problem will get resolved. Understand? Here, instead of system class, right? Let me remove capitalist. Just I'm putting small s. See here, it is throwing error. Red color. Understand, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here it is showing system cannot be resolved. Okay. So this is an error. Like that it is showing. Okay. So that time what we have to do? Again, we have to go back and put proper. Okay. Yes. So then we will see. Okay. System.out.print hello Java. So there is no errors, guys. Understand, everyone? Okay. So writing Java application by using IDE will be very easy, guys. Programmer's life will be very easy. Okay. Understand? So because all the compilation, everything will be taken care by IDE itself. You don't need to do again by using Java C. You don't need to compile by using Java. You don't need to run the application. Understand? Everyone? Okay. So this is the
Yes,
simple
sir.
Java program we have written. So that's what we learned, right? Okay. Yesterday class, what we discussed, not yesterday, day before yesterday, or yesterday. So just we have written the class, right? In the notepad. Same class only we have written, right? Okay. See here automatically test.java. When I created test class, see test.java, like that it is created. Okay. This class file, okay, what is the, what do you call input we choose class, right? Here the class file automatically converted into Java source code, guys. Okay. So this is the Java source file, test.java. Understand? Just we created class, right? But see, by using .java, it is saving. What is the type here? .java. .java means what? Java source code. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, yeah, compilation also completed successfully, right? Now, what we need to do? What we need to do after compilation?
Execution.
Execution.
We need to run the program. Okay. So here you can click on right click here. There is a run as, okay, Java application, right? You can use this option also to run the Java program, or else directly this test.java we have, right? Left side in the project here. So here also just click on right click. Here also we can do run as Java application. That's it. You no need to open command prompt. You no need to, okay, write manually Java command, Java space. So what is the class name we want to execute? Okay. You no need to give all these things, guys. Understand? Everyone. Okay. So again, here there is two options. Directly here we have, right, here the content where the Java program has been written. Here also you click on right click. You can click right click and run as, click on Java application. This is one approach. Or else directly you can go the test.java here, right, in left side project structure under source folder. Okay. Directly here also you can click right click and run as Java application. Okay. Demo project test.java. Okay. It is asking. Just click on OK. See here in console, hello Java. Printed, right? Yes. See my screen, everyone. Hello.java.
Yes, sir, same.
Printed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so just I'm adding one more. Okay. So here there are shortcuts, guys. If you click on sysout and control space, automatically system.out.println will print. You don't need to type. You don't need to write system.out.println. Understand? There are shortcuts also. Okay. You no need to write complete statement, system.out.println, like that you don't need to write. Just type sysout here, sysout, okay, and control space. If you give control space, it will work. Just now it is working. No? Sysout, control space. What happened here? Just now it working, right?
SI, SO,
Hmm?
control space. SI, SO.
No, SY. This out, right? So just now it is working fine, right? Don't know what happened. Okay, anyway, okay, it will work, guys. Might be what is the problem? We'll see. But if you click, if you type sysout and control space, automatically the system.out.println also will print. Okay, I don't know. Just now it is working, right? Why all of a sudden it is not working now? Let me type one more time. Sysout, right? SYS. Sysout. Control space. Yeah, working, right? System.out.println. Okay. Here I'm writing, okay, learning first Java program, like learning first Java program. See here in the notepad. So yesterday, so what we used to do, guys? So we changed any, again we changed the test class. The Java program. So after that, what we need to do? We need to recompile the program, right? So then only you will get latest.class file. Understand? But here you don't need to do that. Automatically, the recompiler will taken care by the IDE itself. Okay. The latest .class file, automatically it will be generated. The latest version of the .class file. Understand? So just click on right click here, run as. Here no need to save also. You need to save the program also. Automatically, IDE itself will taken care of that one. Okay. Just click on Java application. Okay. You click on OK. See, hello Java learning first Java program. Understand, guys, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, so after compilation, what we will get, guys? .class file, right? So where these .class file are generated? Yesterday, I think already I told you, right? So where is our workspace here? Where we created our workspace, I think in D, training, core Java, Eclipse workspace, right? See, demo project. What is our project? Demo project, right? Under the SRC, you can see the test class. Okay, we created, right? This is the Java source code. Okay, so if you see the bin, you can see the test .class files. Understand? Where the .class file will be saved, guys? Under bin directory. Yesterday, I think we discussed it, right? Okay. Guys, come on. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good to understand?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is the way we will do by using Eclipse IDE, guys. Okay. Understand, everyone? Okay. So I think already we discussed identifiers, right? Java identifiers. One class already we completed, right? I think that time, what is identifier? Okay. So what are the rules we have to follow to define identifier? Everything already we discussed it, right? Okay. So after this class, okay, go and write few examples, few Java programs. Okay. So just try to add identifiers here. Okay. So try to add some, invalid identifiers. See what is the error you are getting and all. Okay, guys, do that exercises. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
come on, guys. Right?
Yeah, okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go for next topic, guys. Okay, we will discuss the concepts and we will do this experiment here by using Eclipse IDE. Okay. Hope you guys are understand, right? How can we develop Java application by using Eclipse IDE? Okay. I think
Yes, sir.
you must feel, okay, what is the complexity while developing Java application by using manual approach and Eclipse approach by using Eclipse IDE, right? By using Eclipse IDE, it will be Very easy, guys, to develop Java applications. Okay, because everything will be taken care by Eclipse IDE, and it will suggest. Okay, okay. If you see, it will suggest, guys. Let me type something here. See, I am typing system class. System. Okay, system dot. See, when I put dot, it will suggest. See, in the system class. Okay, so these are the methods and properties we have. Understand? Who has written the system class?
Java people.
Java people has written. So class means what? Come on, guys. Class means what? What contains class?
Property.
Class contains what? Come on, tell me, guys.
Number variables and
Member variable method.
Member variables and member methods, right? So already we discussed, right? Member variables and member methods. As of now, okay. We will see the complete structure of class after some time. Okay. After some time, we will see what is the complete structure of class. Class means, so what are the things we will have? We will see in detail. But as of now, what we discussed, class contains member variables and member methods, right? See here, these are the variables. In system class, who has written system class? Java people.
Java people.
Okay. So that's what, see, when I'm putting system dot, then we can see all the properties and methods, okay, which are there in system class, guys. So these methods and these properties, who has written? Java people has written. Okay, understand? So this here, see, there is a property called outright. There is a property called outright. Okay,
Yeah.
just I am accessing that property, OUT. Okay, I'm accessing that. I'm using that property out. Okay, out dot. Now, if I use out, and again it is showing some other methods here. We will see, guys, what is system, what is out, what is println, and we will see in detail. Don't worry. Okay, as of now. Okay, now let me remove out and let me put dot. See, it is okay showing all the methods, okay, which are there in that class. Okay, so which method we want to use now? Println method we want to use. Where is the println method, guys? See, there is a println. Okay, there is a println method. So just I am using this method, guys. I can write directly. I can click directly. See, println. Okay, here it is expecting. See, if you see this open declaration or open implementation, if you go, it is what? Okay, there are println method. There are overloaded methods. Println. Okay, println. See, println boolean type. Okay, println char type. Println int type. Println string long type. Like that we have float type. There is a string type also should be there. See, println string type. Okay, this method we are using. Understand? It prints a string and then terminates the line. This method behaves as a though it works link print string and then. Okay, this is displaying. So adding some okay document here. So actually, in real time, if you are writing any method or any class, okay, and in front of that, we need to add some document, guys. So what it says, so what is this method? Why you are writing this method? Like that, you have to add. Okay. Next, suppose after some time, there are other people are came. They are also has to work on the same project. Okay. They has to understand, right? So why this class we have written, why this method has you have written, in this method, what you are doing. If you write, okay, in terms of statements, by seeing those statements, they can easily understand. Understand, everyone? So that's why in real time, if you write any method, before that method, we are going to write one kind of document, guys. Okay. This is not executable code. See, we are keeping all these lines under where commented. This is commented code. We will see what is commented and all. Okay. If you put the code, okay, the statements under commented, okay, so it will not execute by the Java compiler and it will not execute by the JVM. JVM and compiler just ignore these things. Okay. Understand? Just why we are putting these lines of statement here to make what this Java method is doing, to understand. Okay, to understand what this Java method is doing internally, right? See, like this they have written. So who has written this method, guys? Java people has written. Okay, so this is the println method code, guys. Okay, like that you can see each and everything, every Java class, every Java method, okay, which are coming as a default. Okay, I mean these classes and methods who has written Java people. These are what predefined classes. Okay, if you want, you can see how the Java class they are written, what is the code they have written under that Java class, under the method. If you want, you can see. Understand? So like that only you can learn the subject, guys. Okay, I'm removing this class. Hope you guys are understand. See, by using IDE, you can see each and everything, right? You no need to remember the method names also. Understand? You no need to remember the
Yes, sir.
method names also. If you
Sir.
remember just class name, just type the class name and click on dot. It will show automatically all the eligible properties and methods. Okay, you can use based on your requirement. Which property you want to use, you can use. Okay, this is not only for predefined classes, guys. Okay, so it will show even you, I mean, after some time you will write some class. Let's suppose you have written one student class. In the student class, you have written 5 properties and 5 methods. Okay, you want to use that student class in other class. So that time you need to type the student class, right? You need to create object for student class. And after creating object class, object, by using that object reference, you want to access the properties or methods. Okay, so that time if you put dot, then you will see all the properties and methods what you have written in that class. Okay, the same way. See, for now we are seeing our system class properties and methods, right? In the same way, okay, for our user defined class also you can see. You will see, guys, don't worry. Understand, everyone? See, working with Eclipse IDE, working with any integrated development environment is very, 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 very easy, guys, for developers. Okay, point of view. Okay, they don't need to learn, they don't need to remember anything here. Hope you guys are understood, right? Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now just I don't want to, okay, I don't want to execute this line, guys. I don't want to execute these lines. What I need to do, simply I need to put comment.
Command.
Okay, so just double slash. If you keep double slash, automatically this line will not be considered by compiler and JVM. Understand? Okay,
Yeah.
let me execute run Java application. Okay, hello Java, learning first Java program only we are seeing, right? Okay, so this is the way you can do, guys. Okay, after this class, just do, okay, few experiments you guys can do. If you do, then only you can know. Okay, so hope you understand, right, how to write Java program by using Eclipse IDE, first Java program. Okay, so this is not the way. Okay, so as of now we learn this much only. That's why we have written the simple Java program. Here we did not write any packages, any imports, anything we did not write. Okay, we will see. Okay, while we will discussing those topics, by using those concepts, we will write that particular related Java programs here. Okay, as of now we learn this much only, right? So that's why we have written this much class only. Okay, right. So now I think so we'll discuss with next topic, guys. So what is the next topic? I think we completed identifiers, right? We completed
Yes, sir.
identifiers. So let's go with next topic. Okay. Reserved words. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will see the reserved words. So there is a reserved words in Java, right? Tell me, what are the reserved words? Let's suppose in real world also, okay, we have some names, right? In real world also, see now Rupesh Jha, he is now trying to join. Yeah. In the real world also, we have some names, guys, right? So like that, so if you see, to represent some functionality, okay, to represent some meaning, okay, there are real words, guys, okay, to reserve that. So like, let's suppose cat, okay, cat is what? To represent an animal, right? Okay, so if you see eat is what? It's kind of action. No, speech, okay, we are teaching, okay, this is what? One kind of action, right? So for that action, there is a reserved word, okay. Eat means what? That is also kind of action. For that, there is a reserved word. What it is? Eat. Understand, everyone? Okay, like that. Okay, there is a dog. We use it to call as dog. Okay, dog represents what? Animal, right? Dog represents what? Animal. Okay. Sorry, dog, right? Let's suppose. Okay. So there is a, okay, peacock. Peacock represents what? Bird. Understand? So like that, we have reserved words, okay, in our day-to-day speaking languages, guys. Okay, in the real world. Okay. So like that, so what dog means what? There is a meaning. If you see the reserved word for dog, okay, dog means what? To represent animal. Okay, that is what kind of animal it is. It is a dog type. Okay, we have given some name for that, right? So that one dog is what? Reserved for that kind of animal. Okay, peacock. Peacock is there, right? We have given the name peacock. Peacock is what? Reserved for that particular type of animal, bird, right? Eat. This is eat and if running, walking. These are what? Actions. Okay. So we have given some name for that. Okay, those are the actions. Okay, it is reserved for what? Okay, eating something, right? So these are the called reserved words in real world. Okay. In the same way, in Java also we have some reserved words, guys. Okay, in Java also some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called what? Reserved words. Understand, guys? Everyone? Okay. Let me write it, guys. In Java, in Java we have few, okay, reserved words. Reserved words, okay, to represent, okay, to represent, okay, some functionality, okay, functionality or some meaning, okay. So those words are called what? Reserved words. Understand? Those words are called reserved words. Understand? In Java also, we have few words, guys. Okay. For each and every word, what we are going to see now, those are having some meaning, some functionality associated with that. Okay. We will see. So what are the reserved words we have in Java? Okay. We will learn each and every reserved word, guys. Understand? So as of now, we are seeing class, right? Class is what? CLASS. That is kind of one word. Okay. So who has given that word? Java people. Why they have given Java people? By using that class word, what we can do? We can create one class, right? So that is what reserved word. If you see class, after some time, you can see easily understand, oh, this is a class. Understand? In Java, oh, I think this is a one class. Like student. In before student, if you see the class, means what? Okay, student is a class. Okay. This guy created student class. Like that we can remember, right? Understand? Understand or not?
Sir,
Dog is going. By seeing that word
Yes, sir.
easily. Okay, that is reserved word. But dog is what? Reserved word for that one. Okay, like that. Okay. So this class and like that we have 53 reserved words. We will see. Okay. Now let me see all the reserved words, guys. Okay. Let me draw one diagram here. Yeah. Reserved words, right? How many we have reserved words? 53. 53 reserved words we have in Java. But in real world, how many reserved words we have? We have, okay, lakhs of reserved words. Okay, that is what our day-to-day speaking language, like in English. Okay, but Java also one kind of programming language. Okay, in Java also we have few reserved words. What are the reserved words we have in Java? How many reserved words we have? Only 53 reserved words we have. Understood, right? What is reserved word means as of now? Okay, we will see. Now, so these are the reserved words, right? Now, if you see, we have two types of reserved words, guys. You can say one is Okay. One is keywords. Another one is reserved literals, guys. Reserved literals. Okay. Guys, please control Z. Someone has drawn one line. Okay. Keywords and reserved literals. Okay. So in keywords, we have 50, guys. How many keywords we have? 50 keywords we have, guys. Okay. Here, reserved literals have 3. 3 literals we have. Okay. What is the keywords? Okay. Keywords has some functionality associated with that, guys. Okay. Every keywords, we are going to see how many keywords we have, right? Here, keywords means there is a functionality associated with that. Reserved literal means there is no functionality associated with that. Okay. There are just values. Okay. These are the just values. Okay. So what are the reserved literals we have in Java? Okay. Let me write. One is true. Okay. Another one is false. Okay. Another one is null. These are what? Reserved literals. Reserved literals. True and false for what? Okay. To represent Boolean literals, guys. Okay. Boolean values. We will see what is Boolean and everything. Okay. So true, false, null. These are what? Reserved literals, guys. These are what? Reserved literals. Okay. True, false, null. These are reserved literals. Okay. So for these, there is no functionality associated with these, guys. Just true, false, null means what? These are the simple values. Understand? These are the simple values. There is no functionality associated with these. By seeing true, what you will get? By seeing false, what you will get? Just you're having some value. That's it. Okay. True or false are what? Boolean values. Null is what? It's a, okay, user defined data type object reference. By default, object reference value. We will see that one. Don't worry as of now. Okay. So these 3 are what? Reserved literals, guys. Okay. These 3 are what? Reserved literals. Null for what? Object reference default value. Okay. We will see what is null. Now, so here keywords also we have again 2 types, guys. Used keywords, unused keywords. Okay. Used keywords. How many? 48, guys. Okay. Another one is unused keywords. Unused keywords. How many? Out of 50, 48 means like 2. Understand? Used keywords, unused keywords. Keywords means what? Keywords has some meaning. Okay. Some functionality associated with that. Okay. So reserved literals means what? There is no functionality associated with these. These are simply values. That's it. Okay. To represent simple values. These are, okay, reserved literals. So keywords we have 48 used keywords. Unused keywords we have 2. So what are those unused keywords? Again, we have 2, guys. One is go to. We are not using this keyword. Guys, don't do that, guys. Please. One is go to. Okay. Another one is CONST, guys. CONST. These are what? Unused keywords in Java. Understand? So go to. Hey, I'm keep on asking. Please don't do that anything. Don't use your mouse. Just listen, guys. Why you guys are using your mouse? For listening the class, what is the use of using mouse, guys? Yeah. So now we have two keywords, right? Unused keywords. What are those? One is go to, another one is const. Okay. So if you use go to statements, okay, we will have lot of issues, guys, in Java. If you use go to statements, we will have lot of issues in Java. So that's what Java people, okay, when they are using this go to statement, okay, they found, okay, there are several issues. So that's why Java people, okay, stopped using this go to statement, guys, go to keyword. Understand? Now we are not using this go to keyword in Java. Understand? And another one. What is other one? Constant. const. Constant means what, guys? Constant means what? To represent some constant values, fixed values, right? But in Java, already we have another reservoir that is called final. Okay. By using final, you can define a constant value. Okay. Already we have one more thing, right? So then why we need to use const again? So that's why we are not using const. Okay. That's why we are not using const. Understand, everyone? Okay. These two are what? Unused keywords. Okay. So we will see what are the used keywords now. So what are the used keywords here? Hey, who is that here? How many times I have to tell? You are not a kids, right? Okay. Now, okay. So now we will see what are used keywords. How many we have? 48, right? We will write one by
48.
one. Okay. Used keywords. I'm writing used keywords, guys. How many we have? 48, right?
48.
48. Yeah. See, these are the keywords we are going to use in our Java. Okay. Day to day in Java program. So what are those? So we will segregate. Okay. See now, let me take first one. Okay. Let me write here. Then only let me draw one line. Okay. Like this, we will write one line. So now here I'm writing the first one is for okay. Keywords for data types, guys. I don't know why Shravani keep on joining. He doesn't have proper network. Keywords for data type. Data type. Okay, we will see. So what are the keywords for data types we have? So what is data type? Everything we will see, guys. Don't worry. Okay. So now we are going to see here how many reserved words we are using in Java. In our day-to-day Java program, we will use these reserved words, guys. Okay. We will see. Okay. So now keywords for data types. Now we are saying, right, used keywords 48. Under 48, what are the data types keywords? Okay. For point of, I mean, respect to of data type, how many keywords we are using? See, how many data types we have, primitive data types in Java, guys? Come on, the people who knows Java. Come on, tell me, what are the data types we have?
Float, string,
First one, byte,
Int.
byte, short,
Int.
char, okay, byte, short, char, int, okay, float, okay, double,
double,
next, long,
long,
right, char, Next,
Are already written.
they are already written, huh? Okay. Tell me what is one more thing?
Float.
Boolean.
Float.
Float already written, right? 8.
Sir.
Yeah. No.
These are the 8 data types we have, guys. Okay. Byte, dot, char, double, float. Okay. Long, boolean. Understand? How many these are? 8. Okay. 8 data types. What are the count, guys? 8.
8.
Okay. These are what? Keywords for data types. We will see. Okay. In detail, we will see. What is data type also we will see. What is byte also we will see. What is short also we will see. Everything we will see. Right? Now, this is what keywords for data type. Out of 48, 8 already we covered. Now, remaining we have flow controls, guys. Okay. Flow controls data type. We will see what are the data types for flow controls. We are going to write flow control data types here. Flow control data types. Flow control keywords. Right. Okay. We are talking about keywords, right? Now, flow control keywords we will see. Flow controls means what? Actually, I think already a few people already aware of Java. They said already, we know the basic knowledge of Java, right? I think maybe a few people, okay, they know something called the C++ languages. Okay. So here flow control means what? So we are writing something. Okay, in Java program, just let's suppose we want to write, okay, some loop. Okay. Let's suppose we need to print one asterisk symbol or star symbol for 100 times. Means what? 100 times it has to print. That is called loop, right? That is called loop. So to control the flow, okay, so by using these loops, okay, to written something, let's suppose 100 lines of code we have. First of all, I'm asking, hey guys, please print first 10 lines of code. After that, break it, have do something, okay, write some other statement. After that, continue next 10 lines of code. Like that I'm asking. This is what control of the flow. If you know the control of the flow, then only you can write these kind of things. Iterative, okay, iteration kind of logic you guys can write. Okay. So these are called what? Flow controls, guys. Okay. To represent those flow control keywords in Java, we have these many keywords, guys. What are those? Okay. If, okay,
For.
okay, else, okay, next switch statement. In switch, what are the things we are using, guys? In switch, default, okay,
Break.
case, okay.
Choose.
So these
Yes,
are
sir.
the things we are using under switch. Okay. Now coming to loops. For, okay, for loop, right? After that, while
While
loop,
loop.
while,
Do.
do while, right?
Do while.
While, do while. After that, what else we have? While,
Break and
do
continue.
while. Next one, break,
Continue.
okay, continue, okay, and return. We will see, guys, when we will use break, when we will use continue, when we will use return. Okay, we will see each and everything, guys. Okay, only these are the things we have, right? Anything else? If, else, switch, default, case, okay, for loop, while loop, do while loop, break, if you want to break something in the loop, break, continue if you want to continue, and if you want to exit from the complete method, return, right? These are the things, right? Do you have any things for flow controls?
No.
No, right? How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
11.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 11. We have 11, guys. Okay, these are what? Flow control keywords. Okay, so now by using these keywords, okay, we can write, okay, the logic, flow control related logic, iterative, okay, kind of logic. We will see in detail. Don't worry as of now. Okay, so we will write each and every keyword what we are writing now. Okay, we will use each and every keyword, guys, in future. Okay, and we will learn in detail also. Don't worry as of now. Flow control keywords completed, right? Okay. Next, we will see the keywords we will use in access modifiers, guys. Okay. We will use these keywords for access modifiers. We will write. Access modifiers keyword. Access modifier keywords. Okay. So for the access modifier keywords, okay. Yeah. What is this access modifier keywords? Tell me, what are the access modifiers we have in Java, guys?
Public, private, default.
Private, protected, default.
Public,
Private,
private,
Protected,
protected, default.
default.
protected, default.
Default.
Okay, actually, yes, that is also kind of access modifier. If you're not writing any access modifier, means by default modifier it is default. But we are not writing that one. Okay, ignore it. Public, private, protected. Come on, tell me, Java people, what else we have?
Okay.
Come on, I think day to day while writing your Java program you are using, right? So what are the access modifier you are using? Come on, static. Okay, just now we are using, right? Public static void main method. Static keyword we are using, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one, final.
Final.
Static. Final. Okay. Next one, strict FP also we have. Okay. Strict FP introduced in Java 1.2 version, I think. 1.2 version, I think. Okay. Strict FP. Next. Come on, guys. Static, final, strict FP. Abstract. Okay. Abstract. Next. Synchronized. Synchronized. Right? Synchronized. Come on. Synchronize. Next. Native. Okay. Native. Next. Volatile keyword. For multi-threading, we will see. What else? For serialization, deserialization, transient. Transient keyword we will see. Okay. What else, guys? That's it, right? You have any? See? Tell me, guys. You have any? No, right? How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again 11. Okay. These are the 11 access modifiers we have in Java, guys. Understand, everyone? Public, private, protected, static, final, strict, FP, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient. Okay. We will learn each and every keyword in Java. I mean, further classes. Don't worry about it. Okay. These are the about access modifiers in Java, guys. Okay. Now we will see other one. Okay. In Java, we have the beautiful concept called exception handling, right? Oh my God. Guys, please don't do that. Yeah. How many times I have to tell? I don't know why people are doing like that.
Sir, could you please scroll upwards, sir? I couldn't see the below keywords.
What kind of keywords you want to see?
Sir, the keywords you have written are only seen half, sir. The down screen is not visible, sir, of the whiteboard.
I'm writing keywords for data type, flow controls keywords, access modifier keywords. You're not seeing that? You're not able to see those things?
Sir, we ourselves have to.
Okay. Now is it okay? You know? Is it okay, guys? Can you see now?
We can scroll the screen.
Yeah, I'm scrolling already.
No, sir, we ourselves can score the schools.
I'm not understanding what you're asking actually. So can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, sir, we can see the whiteboard, sir.
Then what is the problem?
The keywords are only appearing half, sir. For example, in the data type keywords, up to float only we are able to see. Below the float keyword and in the flow control below the default keyword and in access mode below the static, that page is
Okay.
not visible.
Why? Everyone does the same. I mean, only you are remaining people also facing the same
We can
issue.
have an option to scroll down, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you can do that, na? Who is that? Sai Kiran, Who is
I
asking
don't
that
know
question?
that one, sir. For me, it is not visible. Up to that only,
Might be
Sai
have an
Kiran,
issue.
Venkat Sai Kiran.
Might be have an issue with your laptop. Okay, see there is a scroll down option, right? You can scroll down. If you move your cursor right side, there might be some scroll down option. I mean that kind of bar. You can click that bar and
Yeah, okay, sir.
pick it up and right. Okay. So I think you see I
Okay.
completely scroll up and scroll down. Okay, I'm doing that. I think might be your system settings. Okay. Now we'll go with next topic. What is that, guys? So we have in Java, we have beautiful concept called exception handling, right? We will see that. Exception handling. Bhavan in class lo unna. Right, exception handling. Okay, exception handling. In exception handling, what are the keywords we are using? We will see, guys. Exception handling keywords. Okay. So, what are the exception handling keywords, guys? Tell me, anyone Java people
Try, catch,
who are writing exception handling programs? First
throw,
one is try, right? Try,
Catch.
catch,
throw,
finally, try, catch, finally. Next,
Throw.
throw.
Throws.
Throw throws.
Okay, in order to throw the exception, we can use throw. To delegate the exception to caller, throws. Throw, throws. What else, guys? THROW, sorry, THROW, right? Throw. Throw, throws. Next. Come on. Try, catch, finally, throw,
Finalize.
throws. Finalize, huh? Are we using finalize in exception handling?
No.
Assert keyword introduced in, I think, 1.4 version. Okay. That's it, I think, right? Only these are the keywords we are using exception handling, right? Okay. Do you see any other thing? No, I think try, catch, finally, throw, throws. Okay. We add the exception to try, catch, and finally we will use throw for when the new exception, throws for delegating exception handling to caller, assert for just to validate. That's it, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many we have, guys? 6, right? 6. These keywords we will use in exception handling concept, guys. Okay. Right? Now we will see. Next topic is what? We will see at the class level. Okay. Class level, how many keywords we will use. Okay. Class level keywords. Okay. Class level keywords we will see now. Class level keywords. See, in Java, you're writing Java class, right? The Java class, we will see few keywords, right? So what are the keywords we have? Come on, tell me what is the first keyword? Come on. What is the first keyword in class? At least you can tell the first keyword, right? How you are writing Java class here? What is the syntax of Java class?
Public.
Which keyword you have to use to write a class? Yeah, class, CLASS, right? So that is the keyword. Class. In the class, what we can use? Package also we can use. Okay. And we will use import statement, right? class,
Yeah.
package, import. And the same way we have interface also, guys. Class and interface. Okay. These are also class type only. Interface is nothing but class. I mean, after compilation of interface also, you will see .class file only. Okay. Yeah. Class, package, import, interface, and we can use extends keyword. You know, extends.
Extend,
We will
yeah.
see in the
Yes, sir.
oops concept. Okay, inheritance. Okay, in that time we will see what is extends. One class can extend to another class, right? Next, implements. Implements keyword we have, right? Implements interface. Okay,
Yeah.
right? IMPLEMENTS, right? MEANTS. Okay, I missed them. Implements keyword. Okay. Class can implement interface, right? We will see those things. Don't worry. What else here? Class level, class, package, import, interface, extends, implements. What can be? That's it, right? Have any other? I think these are the things we can use at the class level, at interface level, right? Right. How many we have? 6. 6 keywords we have, right? Now, next one, we will go with, next topic is object level. Class is there means what? Object also will be there, right? Now, we will see object level keywords, guys. Object level keywords. In object level keywords, what we will use? In Java, we will see those. Yeah, come on, tell me object level, what are the keywords we have, guys? Okay, new keyword. By using new keyword, we can create object. We will see in
Yes.
detail, don't worry. First one is new, and another one is instance of. Instance of. By using instance of operator, we can know which type of object it is. Okay? By using that, we can see. We will see that one also, don't worry. Instance of, okay? Why it is, okay. INSTANCE of, right? Come on, tell me what else, guys? Okay,
This
new instance of, okay. Next one. So object means we can use this, guys. By using this also, we can represent current class object. Okay. And we can use super. By using super, we can represent, okay, super class object. Okay. So these are what object level keywords. New, instance of, this, super. Right? Do you see any other things at object level? Right? Only these 4, right? New, instance of, this, super. That's it, I think. We don't have any other thing, right? To represent object, we can represent by current class object, and we can represent super class object by using super. That's it, I think. Okay. So these are the 4, guys. How many we have? 4. Okay. Completed. Object level also completed. So we have one more keyword called, so people you usually see, right? What is that? Void keyword, guys. We are seeing, right? Void. Void keyword. Okay. So this is also one keyword, guys. We have only one keyword called void. So this is what? Okay. So in C, okay, what is the by default return type, guys? In C, if you're not writing any return type, let's suppose you are writing one method. Okay. You are not writing any in C, C++, you are not writing any return type. What is that by default return type? Int. Okay. But in Java, okay, there is no default type, guys. Okay. If you're writing any method, okay, you should declare return type. If you don't want to return anything, then you have to keep simply void. Void means what? It is not returning anything. Understand? This method, after execution of this method, okay, this method not returning any value to the caller. Understand? So in the method means what? In the method, what we are going to add? We will add some logic, right? We will add some logic, right? So in that logic, after execution of that logic, it has to send some output, right? After executing, it has to some output, right? Right? That output, yeah. So we have to send some output. That output, what kind of output it is? Okay, it is int type or string type. We will see what is data types and all, what is int and string. Okay, so like that, it has to tell, right? Let's suppose that method is after completion of that execution. So let's suppose it is returning some output. Okay, string type of output it is returning. Then what should be we have to return the return type of that method? String. Understand? Let's suppose one method we have written, but that method after completion of that method execution, we don't want to return anything to the column. Understand? So by that time, we simply declare void as a return type for that method. Understand what is void means? Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Void return type keyword. Okay. By using void means what? The method is not returning anything. That's it. Okay. So that is what void, guys. Okay. Now count it. How many we have? 11 plus 7.
47.
Hmm?
47.
47, sir.
47. Huh? How many we have? 48, right? You should have 48.
Yeah. One more.
String. What about string, sir? String.
String is a class here. It's not a reserved word. String is what? It's a class. Okay. Java people written class, predefined class. Where we missed, guys?
Sorry, if else if.
Hmm?
If else if.
If else already we have added, right? $48, $47 came, huh? Which one we missed? $11, $11, $22, $22, $8, $30, $30 and $6, $36, $36 and $6. 42,
Case.
42 plus 4, 46, 46 plus 1, 47. Huh? We missed one thing. Huh? Which one we missed actually? Case already we have written. Huh?
Do I flow control data type in do.
Do also written. Do while do, right? We have written.
Sir, exit.
No. I think enum, right? Yes, enum. Okay, we missed enum. That'd be right. There is one more keyword called enum, guys. Okay, enum keyword. Okay. This one. 24. Enum, right? So enum is one more keyword. Now 48, right? So enum, I think introduced in 1.5 version, guys. Enum keyword introduced in 1.5 version. Okay, 1.5 version to represent group of named constants. Okay, to represent by using enum, we can represent group of named constants. Okay, we will see. Okay, while discussing enum, we will see what is that. So now how many we have? 48 keywords we have, right? 48 only, right? If a method
Yes, sir.
won't return anything, then we should declare that method with void return type, right? Okay, understand, guys? That is one point. You need to remember the void keyword. Okay, if a method won't return anything, then we should in Java. Let me write. In Java, if method won't return anything, okay, we should declare that method as with void return type. Okay, void return type. Okay, in Java, return type is what? Return type is mandatory, guys. In Java, return type is mandatory. Okay, but in C language, okay, return type is optional, and default return type is what in C language? Int. Understand, everyone? But in Java, return type mandatory. You have to enter one return type. Okay, whether it is void or any type, okay, int type or string type, like that. But return type should be mandatory in Java. Okay. So now, what are the unused keywords? Already we declare, we discussed, right? Go to and constant. Okay. Understand, guys? I think the keywords concept completely completed. Used keywords. Now, what are unused keywords? What are unused keywords, guys?
Go
No,
to constant.
unused keywords, right? Unused keywords. What are those unused keywords?
Go to then
Go
constant.
to
Constant.
and constant. Okay. Already we discussed what is unused keywords, go to and constant, right? So no need to do that again. So now, what are other things here? Reserved literals we have. Okay. So what are the reserved literals, guys? Reserved literals. Let me write here.
True, false.
Yeah. Reserved literals. What are the reserved
True,
literals?
false. True, false, null.
Yeah. True, false, null. Okay. This true and false what? Values for Boolean data type, guys. This true and false for what? Values for Boolean data type. Boolean data type values. Okay. Null for what? Default value for object reference, guys. The extra line is coming here. Default value for object reference. We will see. Okay, don't worry. Object reference, guys. Okay. So now enum, one more enum we have, right? Enum means what? If you want to represent a group of named constants, then we should go for enum, guys. Enum. Okay. If you want to represent, okay, a group of named constants, then we should go for what? Enum. Okay. Introduced in Java 1.5 version. Okay. This is called enum, guys. Okay. Right. We understood, right? If you see the diagram here, okay. If If you see the diagram here, so what we observed, guys? See all the keywords what we have written. So what you observed by seeing those keywords? Did you see anything else here? What you observed, guys, by seeing these constants? Just see the constants what we have written. Anything you observe? Come on. Come on, guys. Just see the words what we have written. What you observed. Just generally I'm asking. Don't think too much. Can we drag this one? Yeah. See, if you observe, byte, sort, char, int, float, all are what? Alpha. Come on. Alphabets, right? All are what?
Alphabets.
Alphabets. Okay. We are not using any numeric values here. Right?
Yeah.
Only alphabets. And if you see,
And also
all the
small
keywords
letters.
are small letters.
First letter.
Understand? If you see, all are small letters. Even instance of. See, instance O also small letter here. Here see strict FP. Okay. Strict FP means most of the times we say these are two words. Okay. So here also F also should be small letter only. See strict FP. F also small letter only, right? Here instance of O also small letter. So all the words, if you see all the keywords, all are small letters, guys. Okay. So Java is what? Case sensitive. By default, if you type strict FP instead of small f, if you type capital letter F, okay, you will get compile time error. Understand? Here instance of instead of small o, if you type capital O, you will get compile time error. Understand, everyone? So
Yeah.
the keywords what we are going to in Java, all are alphabetical. Okay, all are alphabetical and all are small letters. Okay, understand? If you are trying to add any capital letters over there, you will get compile time error, guys. Okay. Any doubt here?
No.
Okay. So, but here in Java, only we have new keyword. Okay. So, if you see in the C++, okay, there is a delete keyword, right? Why we are using delete keyword in C++, guys? To remove the inactive objects, right? To destroy the inactive objects. But in Java, we don't have any delete keyword, guys. So in Java, automatically, okay, JVM will take care. We have one garbage collector concept. I think already we discussed it, right, in Java features, right? So the garbage collector will take in care, okay, to delete all the inactive objects. Okay, it will destroy all the inactive objects, guys. Okay. Understand, guys, everyone? So these are the used, keywords we are going to see, okay, in our day-to-day program, guys. Okay. Just remember these 53 keywords. Under 53, 48 are used keywords. These 48 keywords, each and every keyword we will see. Okay. We will learn each and every keyword in detail. Okay. If you know how to work with these keywords, then you can say 50% Java already you know. Understand? Okay.
Yeah.
So we will see in detail each and every keyword, when we will use this keyword. See, that's what, these are the fundamentals. If you know how these keywords will use, when we will use, Okay, then what type of situation we have to use which type of keyword. If you know these things, okay, you can happily write the programming guys. You can happily write the logic. Anyone has given anything, you can happily write. Okay, because we have to know each and everything, right? You know already when these keywords are using, how these keywords are using. Okay, so we will see in detail. And we have types of variables also. We will see. Okay, what is instance variable, what is static variable, what is local variable, when we will go for instance, when we will go for static, when we will go for local. Okay, if you know in detail, then happily you can write the program. Okay, first of all, we have to know the fundamentals of Java thoroughly, then only, okay, so other concepts will become easy, right? I think we can conclude now. Tomorrow we will see what are the data types. Primitive data types, first of all, right? We have 8 primitive data types. Okay, we will see in detail what is byte data type, what is sort data type, what is char data type, like that. We will see, okay, in detail. Okay, tomorrow class, okay, we will see on data types. So I think once we completed the data type, right, immediately we will see in the program also. Let's suppose once we discuss byte data type, we will see the byte data type in Eclipse IDE. Okay, how it should be and all. You have any